Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook summer sausage. This delicious, cured meat is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways, whether you prefer it cold or warmed up. Before you begin, always remember to remove the outer casing from the sausage. If you plan to heat it, ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal safety and enjoyment. Let's explore some simple and tasty preparation methods. One fantastic way to prepare summer sausage is by pan frying. Start by slicing your sausage into thin, approximately 1/4 inch rounds. Next, heat a skillet over medium heat, adding just a small amount of your preferred cooking oil. Place the slices in the hot pan and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are lightly browned and slightly crispy. This quick method brings out a delightful richness and texture. Baking summer sausage is perfect for creating warm appetizers. Begin by cutting the sausage into slightly thicker, about 1/2-inch pieces. Arrange these slices evenly on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the sausage for approximately 15 minutes or until thoroughly heated. This preparation is excellent for serving warm alongside your favorite cheeses and crackers. For a wonderful smoky flavor, try grilling your summer sausage. Cut the sausage into thicker, 1-inch pieces or even larger chunks. Make sure your grill is preheated to a medium heat setting. Place the sausage directly on the grates and grill for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, rotating until it's heated through and shows nice grill marks. This method adds a fantastic char and depth of flavor that's truly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.